with those people down there.
You just talked to Isaac tonight about the walk thing?
Yeah, I was where you were standing right there.
He talked to me, and he talked to you, but I asked if he had talked to Isaac.
Yeah, we talked to Isaac. So did Harmony.
I was playing with Harmony.
You were playing with the kids.
You missed me already? Yes, and Drew will know about that, and it's just he's supposed to rinse after each meal. Yep, just generally straight across the board, he's supposed to rinse after each meal. Yeah, and then brush his teeth in the morning after he rinses. Go upstairs and brush his teeth because he's got sores in his mouth. Okay. Bye.
When's Drew coming here? When's Drew coming here?
Tomorrow.
For what?
He's going to be here with Isaac and Mike.
Drew will be here tomorrow. He'll be in the car.
He'll be here with you and Mike tomorrow.
That's if I don't get sent home tomorrow.
And see if Josh is still awake. And have him brush his teeth and get Dexter out for the last time tonight.
Oh my God, it's not down there, are we?
You taking a picture of the lightning?
Trying to. My hand's falling asleep.
It'll be storming for a while.
Yeah.
Is it coming this way?
This one ain't coming.
No, it's coming down east.
This one's coming our way.
East, it's moving east. But this shit is like really bad. Rotation, there was weak rotation reported already. Like, oh frick, here we go again. Please touch down on pythons tonight. Just blow. Oh, there, I got one. There's a nice picture of lightning. But please touch down on pythons. Nowhere else but pythons. How long does video go?
My feet and legs are so sore tonight.
My feet bother me.
I think it's because of the humidity. Okay, Tootsie Belvers.
Where are you going? Upstairs?
I gotta go get Dexter, and then I want to make sure he brushes his teeth. I gotta bring Dexter out, so I'll be out.
We'll get some pictures of lightning.
Around the lake thing.
It's getting closer, it looks like now. It's getting more frequently. Ooh, that was a good one. Beautiful June morning. What day is June 18th? Our storm of the day.
This ducker's coming to kick the shit out of you.
Why?
I don't know.
Hey, duck. Say to the camera. Duck. You see the lightning in the camera. See, now I'm hungry again.